Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another detail. Today I've got a very nice Mazda CX5 in that kind of cherry red colour, absolutely stunning. So today is all about the full car, inside, outside. So outside, give it a good clean, get the wheels, barrels there quite dirty, the grills, the grill's one of those current grills where it's just all space, so lots of brush work, lots of getting into the nooks and crannies. Once that's done, we'll get the inside done. Inside's leather, it's quite nice, but usual family car, so lots to do in it, dusting, vacuuming, brushing out, clean the leather down, so there's a few spills here and there, kids in the back seat. Finish off with the glass, and then get it back to how it should be. So it's going to be a full day, but good day though. It's a nice big car, and it'll look good once it's all clean and tidy. So it's been quite busy recently. I'm trying to kind of do these as and when I can, so I've got a couple of videos to upload. We'll get that done hopefully this week, get a few things on the go this week, so try and do it as soon as possible. So stay tuned. Next we'll have a look at the car itself. We'll have a wee walk around the inside, and then we'll take a look at the inside, and then we'll get cracking. Alright, see you soon. Right, here we go. So let's start off the wheel. Pretty grubby. You can see needs a right good clean in the barrel, arches all the way round. Yeah, needs a good seam to it. Up the side, I don't know if this will pick this up because of the metallic kind of cherry red, but it's pretty grim. He's done bird poop. It's one of these cars where it keeps locking, so I'll unlock it in a second. Back arches, the same, not too bad. Around the window, and at the bottom, just where it all accumulates. Tow bar. Right, so that's the outside. Let's have a look at the key. Let's have a look inside. So we'll start at the back. So, bits and pieces here. Usual in at the corners, quite dusty. The seats. Again, it's full leather, so it'll clean up quite nice. Obviously this is the child side, all the feet marks in the back. At the back, yeah, so we'll walk round. Driver's door, just the usual find. The door jams needing done, so good cleaning the footwells, in and around, just all the plastics, lots of dusting, lots of little areas that need done. You can see in and around the vents, just needs a right good clean. And at the gear stick, yummy. Right, so there we have it. Another day, another detail. Right, let's get cracking. Right, okay, and we're done finally. Car's taking about 6 hours. You can see wheels nice and clean, arches nice and clean, nice and dark again, looking good. Round the car, looks fantastic. fantastic. It's come up really well. This is an absolute stunning colour. Cleans up exceptionally well. Right, the inside. So the inside was more dusty than I thought. Quite a lot of tidying, but the carpets really didn't want to release the dirt they were holding on to it. And hopefully it picks this up. The back of the seat's all nice and clean. Where the child seat goes, all the marks are gone. Though I can't remember if I showed that earlier, but it was pretty bad. It wasn't too bad actually, I'm exaggerating. Just took a little light scrubbing. Door jambs, all nice and tidy, just the way we like it. Tied up the mats, the pedals, again leather up front, cleaned as well. Not deep cleaned, but just enough to get the surface dirt off it, or the grime around the gear stick, the vents. The real area though was, I don't know if I can get this in here. In here, that's a heads up display. That was super dusty. That was really bad. That was quite difficult to get out, but we got there and that is good to go. So that's us. Quick phone call to the customer, let them know that it's all clean and shiny for them, and then they can come and enjoy it again until next time. Alright, there we have it. So thanks again for watching. I hope you like the videos. If you do, hit the little thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.